Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term Utopia and Dystopia. Introduction. The concepts of Utopia and Dystopias have fascinated writers and readers for centuries, offering imaginative depictions of idealized and nightmarish societies. The term Utopia originated from Sir Thomas More's book Utopia 1515 to 1516, describing an idyllic commonwealth. In contrast, dystopia emerged as a genre projecting ominous tendencies of contemporary society into disastrous futures. This video explores the literary significance of utopias and dystopias, their historical origins, and notable works in each category. Historical origins and notable works of utopias. The roots of utopias can be traced back to Plato's Republic, presenting the eternal idea of a commonwealth that remains challenging to realize in the actual world. Sir Thomas More's Utopia contributed significantly to the genre, portraying an ideal state in a distant country reached by adventurous travelers. Subsequently, numerous authors have contributed to the genre with diverse utopian visions. Tommaso Campanula's City of the Sun 1623 and Francis Bacon's New Atlantis 1627 explore utopias as blueprints for social and technological advancements. Edward Bellamy's Looking Backward 1888 envisions a utopian future through time travel, emphasizing societal progress. William Morris's News from Nowhere 1891 presents a utopia emphasizing a return to a simpler, pre-industrial society. Charlotte Perkins Gilman's Herland 1915 imagines a utopian society populated only by women. Satirical representations distinguishing utopias from imaginary places. Literary representations of imaginary places can be satirical vehicles critiquing contemporary human life and society. Jonathan Swift's fourth book of Gulliver's Travels and Samuel Butler's Erewhon exemplify exaggerated worlds serving as satire. Samuel Johnson's Rasselas presents the Happy Valley as a gentle satire on humanity's pursuit of an unattainable utopia, revealing the pitfalls of unbridled desires. Dystopias, projecting nightmarish futures. Dystopia refers to works projecting unpleasant imaginary worlds, projecting ominous aspects of contemporary society into disastrous futures. Aldous Huxley's Brave New World 1932 explores a technologically advanced but emotionally devoid society. George Orwell's 1984, written in 1949, portrays a totalitarian regime suppressing individuality and freedom. Margaret Atwood's The Handmaid's Tale 1986 envisions a patriarchal society subjugating women. Exploring ambiguity, utopian and dystopian scenarios. Ursula K. Le Guin's The Dispossessed 1974 combines both utopian and dystopian scenarios. The novel contrasts two societies, one anarchist utopia and another resembling a capitalist dystopia, offering a nuanced exploration of societal complexities. Incorporating science fiction, future utopias and dystopias. Science fiction often serves as a canvas for portraying utopias and dystopias based on future developments in science and technology. Such works explore the consequences of advancements on societal structures. Conclusion: utopias and dystopias in literature offer unique perspectives on human aspirations, critiques of contemporary society, and projections of potential futures. From Plato's Ideal Commonwealth to modern works like Atwood's The Handmaid's Tale, These genres continue to captivate readers and stimulate discussions about societal values. The literary exploration of utopias and dystopias remain an essential part of our literary heritage, encouraging reflection on the complexities of human existence. So this was the discussion on the term utopia and dystopia. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.